5 core benefits of content marketing. Builds brand awareness. Consistently creating valuable content boosts visibility and reach to your audience. Drives traffic to website. High-quality, SEO-optimized content attracts organic traffic, increasing conversion potential. Cost-effective. Content marketing is cost-effective and sustainable. Quality content yields ongoing results, making it more efficient. Improves SEO. Regularly publishing keyword-optimized content boosts search engine rankings, driving more organic traffic to your website. Provides measurable results. Analytics tools track content marketing performance metrics like website traffic, engagement, and ROI, enabling data-driven optimization.